It is literally 5:08 a.m. We're getting Elizabeth right now. The vlog. Okay, now it is 5:22 a.m. and we are on our way. Okay guys, on our way to the hike, there is this, what is it, an abandoned asylum or something?
A hospital center.
A hospital. Okay, I'm gonna show you. It is so creepy. I'm convinced it's haunted. Oh, there's already security out there. This is what it looks like. You can tell it's creepy. You'd definitely get murdered in there.
It's foggy-ish.
And it's definitely like foggy, but I don't know, I just want to show you, it's really sketchy. Ooh, Nolan, isn't this creepy?
I literally used to play soccer games, like literally right down the hill from here. You're gonna see some fields. I used to play when I was in like literally kindergarten. I remember I was playing a game one time and my dad stands up, all the parents are facing like that asylum, and my dad's just like, there's a fire, and we all turn around and there's this huge ass fire at the asylum, and like, the game had to be called off and like the fire department came.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there's like more buildings down there too. That's so sketchy. Maybe a ghost did it. What do you think?
Probably.
Hello. Just don't want to crash. Okay, hi guys. So it is like 1:30 and I'm going to go on a run, which probably isn't the best idea because it's like peak heat of the day and it is insanely hot out, and I'm going to run on a turf field. So, but I just really wanted to get a run in today. Great. So I just got to the field. There's literally no one here because it's so hot. But I'm just gonna put my AirPods in, and I brought a towel to cover my water bottle with because I know it'll heat up on the turf. But yeah, so I'm just gonna run a little, and here's a little tip. If you guys have a park near you or something and there's like a field, go out and run for a little, and then if you get really tired from the running or whatever exercise you do, because it might be just like a little too intense or something, because sometimes I'll work out and I'm just not feeling it that day with the running, so sometimes I'll just run for a little, and then like at your local park or something, if there's a field and a trail also. So there's a trail here, so I'm going to walk the trail afterwards, kind of like as a little bit of a cool down, but it's like 2.5 miles, so that's a workout in itself. But that's just a little tip. If you ever, you know, don't want to go work out or something and you don't want to run, just try to do a little bit of running and then see if you can walk. And even if you just want to like walk on the field, sometimes I'll just like run and then walk. But yeah, this is the field that I'm going on. It's completely empty, so okay, I just finished the run. Wow, I ran a decent amount, and then I just did a little bit of walking back and forth because it was so hot. And then I just did some like mountain climbers, squats, blah blah blah, jumping jacks, stuff like that. But I definitely didn't stay that long, but I started feeling really lightheaded at the end. So I just want to let you guys know that like that even happens to me. if I go a long time without working out, sometimes I used to frustrate myself when I'd get back into workout because I was like, okay, I have to go hard or not at all. But like, that's not true. As long as you get out there and do the workout and do a little bit, that's all that matters. And that's what I just kind of have to keep telling myself. I'm like, you know what, I did it, that's good. And like, I'm proud of myself for doing it. But as long as you went out, you know, you worked out a little bit, and if you feel a little lightheaded, just listen to your body. And, you know, usually I would feel really bad and, you know, that I didn't do as long of a workout as I usually did, but I feel good. You know, I still got to work out, and it's better than just sitting on my butt at home. But yeah, just don't feel bad about that if you guys, you know, don't feel so good during workout. Take things slow, take it easy, be gentle on your body. Not every day, you're not going to feel the same every day. You're not going to want to give a workout 100% every single day. Some days I'm just very intense and I'm like, run, run, run. And the other days I'm like, maybe walk, run. So yeah, I started listening to my body. I was feeling a little lightheaded and I didn't want to pass out in the field and nobody was there. So I, you know, walked a little and then got up and left. And also there's literally, it looks like a storm is coming. I mean, it looks like it's kind of going that direction, but I just didn't want to chance anything. So yeah, I'm just going to head home now, but that was a good workout though. Okay, I know I look crazy right now, but I just got out of the shower and we are now going to one of our family friends' houses because she has cancer and she can't really go out and expose herself much and can't be exposed to people. So we're going to, from a distance, we're gonna put fireworks off for her because she isn't able to go out that often, and we thought it'd be kind of fun. So I just finished showering and I'm going to pick up Elizabeth because she's coming with us. And yeah, then I'm gonna go to Nolan's after. But yeah, I know I look kind of crazy, but so yeah, that's what I'm up to. And I need to do my nails. They look so bad, but I just don't have time right now. I'm kind of stressed. I don't know. But let me know if you guys do this technique. I see on TikTok a lot of people use that little like face shaver to make their skin super smooth, and I just did it and my skin literally looks so smooth right now and it feels so clean. So yeah, I just tried it out. Let me know if you guys try that or not. I mean, I've been doing it for a little while, but I just did it again today because I got reminded of it on TikTok. So also, I just cleaned my room, but my room is such a vibe. Nolan told me when he spent several nights here when we were on vacation, he was like, oh my god, your room is such a vibe, Elise. And normally I have that light turned on, but it's really nice because the sun is setting right now and I'm listening to Taylor Swift as usual, but here's the vibe. Nice and clean. Okay, so actually, just kidding, we're not going to Beth's house. I can't speak. Beth's house, because there is a humongous storm coming, and originally I was going to just go to Nolan's anyways, so we're just gonna go straight to Nolan's. But here's the storm. We're gonna show it to you in a second, because it is literally, it looks like a scene from Stranger Things, like when the monster comes out. Can you see the dark sky?
I think so. I'm not really good at this.
Well,
there's a lot of things on the screen.
I think it's darker over there. You can see like even to the right there's like light sky, but then it's like super dark and you can't see it on camera now, of course, when we start recording, but
there's strikes of lightning.
Yeah, the whole sky was like flat, like we're going straight into the storm, that's the thing, and the whole sky was like flashing. But yeah, no, it's kind of spooky. And that's our high school, if anybody wants to see how gross. I despise our high school, not a fan.
Sorry, the gum got stuck in my throat. Room temperature. Room temperature. Okay. Alright, a room temperature and a cold, right? Elise, you
yes, this is Nolan being an amazing host, as usual.
I want my cold, please.
You don't! I'm the one that's being a baby. I'm scared. What was it? Did you get it? Yes! Savior Nolan! That was so much hectic energy. I couldn't even grab the camera in time.
I wanted to help, but I feel like I was just in the way.
What was that?
You want to have to crunch it, like, while it was still moving.
Was that a spider cricket?
No,
it's
don't get them shits.
It was a big spider.
No.
It was a really big spider.
Every once in a blue moon.
That was so big, I thought it was a spider cricket.
No, it's not that big.
Alright, well that was the most terrifying thing, but I was also laughing because this is the only sound that I heard.
I'm really, really vigilant about bumps in the house. So.
Then why do I find myself
Okay, behind me, I believe is Dahlia, because we were just in the pool. She's looking for the bunny. Okay, so we're in the pool, right? I'm trying to get the sunlight. And this little baby rabbit, literally like this small, just jumped up to the edge of the pool. And at first we thought it was a chipmunk. We're like, oh, a chipmunk. And then it was a baby rabbit. We're like, oh my God, it's a rabbit. And it just jumped in the pool and started drowning. So like Dahlia got up, because I think she was trying to like grab something to like get it with. But then I just swam over and like picked it up and put it on the side. I was like so nervous, so I just swam across the pool because it was in the deep end. And like, I don't even know, it just like jumped in, we don't know why. And then we went and we're trying to like bring it water now, but it is like a tiny little baby rabbit. And then there was a snake we saw, so we think it ran from the snake. But Dahlia doesn't like snakes, so she's kind of like looking to see if we can see the rabbit, but it like disappeared over there. But it was so cute and precious, so we put a little bowl of water out for it. But it was so sad because if we weren't in the pool, it literally, she would have come out to like a dead baby rabbit in the pool. But it was so cute. And so, yeah, no, yeah. A dead bunny, like especially a tiny baby, but like we don't know where it went, and so it was really scared of me, even though I like grabbed it and like I was trying to give it water. So I don't know if it got like separated from the mom, from the snake, but it was a lot. It was a lot to take in. Okay, so I just got back from Dahlia's and there was a huge storm coming, so I had to rush really quickly and we had to clean stuff up because we were just in the pool and there was just like dark skies, and then we looked in the radar, it was like very severe thunderstorm coming. So I'm just gonna go inside and she's gonna send me photos of her clothes later, so I'm just gonna go inside and take a shower and then do my nails because they look so bad and kind of tidy up my room a little bit. And then I'm gonna figure out some of the Depop stuff because I really want to sell some things to you guys because I just have like a bunch of stuff I want to get rid of. So yeah. You can't really see on camera, it's much darker, but it's very windy. I feel like you can't see anything on the camera. I'll show you guys when it gets like a little bit more windy, but yeah, I don't know, I don't think you can really see much, but I just have my lights on in my room. I cleaned up, I'm just doing some work. Yeah, I don't know, maybe you can see better out this window. Should you see? You can't tell on camera, but it's just like, it's not really capturing it very well. Maybe when it starts raining, I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna have dinner now, and I don't know what to eat. Tomatoes, cucumbers, tofu also. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower and I'm honestly going to end the vlog here because I don't really know what else to do. And yeah, so make sure you guys please turn on your post notifications because Lord knows when Elise is going to upload a video. It's very random. But yeah, turn on post notifications, make sure you're subscribed, and comment down below, and I pretty much always respond to almost every single comment. So yeah, and then also one last reminder, I now just made the magazine a PDF format so you can download it and it's going to be cheaper. So a lot of you guys that were talking about not being able to pay for the shipping and stuff, if you want to, you can go and buy the magazine still. It's just going to be less expensive, which is better, but you won't have a hard copy, but that's fine, you'll just get it online. So let me know if you guys want to do that, and yeah, all right, so I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I'm just going to go to bed, and honestly I'm probably gonna edit a little and then watch a movie. So all right, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next, I can't speak, I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Also, really quickly, down in the comment section below, please recommend videos that you guys want. So yeah, all right, bye.
Can be the principal.